Welcome to this ZENworks Service Desk video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate the change request feature. In this scenario, Allison is an end user who wants to increase the memory on her laptop to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Allison logs into Service Desk, clicks New Request, followed by Change Request. She then selects the item category, request classification, and other parameters. After adding a request description, she saves the request. Bob is the ZENworks Service Desk technician who receives Allison's request. Bob adds a note and then assigns a request to Allison's line manager for approval. Heather, Allison's line manager, receives and approves the request. After the manager's approval, Bob discovers that Allison's laptop is not compatible with the requested hardware upgrade. So he adds a note and sends his recommendation back to Heather for approval. Heather looks into the request, replies to Bob's recommendation, and then approves it. After the approval, Bob orders the new hardware. When the hardware arrives in the store, Bob installs the hardware in Allison's laptop and then resolves the request. As soon as Bob resolves the request, Allison receives a notification email. For more information about using ZENworks Service Desk, see the ZENworks Service Desk documentation page. Thanks for watching.